Agarwal Rubber Private Limited. It was a family name what we started with, and we started with a small thing, the tube manufacturing, and slowly we developed everything, and then we started manufacturing tires, tubes. Now we are one of the largest tube manufacturers in India, and tires also we are manufacturing two-wheeler, three-wheeler tires, light truck, agriculture tires. All the expansions will happen only in tire segments, and basically in 2-3-wheeler will be the first phase what we want to complete. We want to go to at least 2 million tires a month in next 5 years time. Frankly speaking, the products, what products we manufacture, tires, keep going is very important in that, and day-to-day life also, keep going word is also very, very important word. This was a great initiative taken by Rahul. He gave us this tagline. Once he said keep going, it was one shot, I think so. Out of 100 people in our company, they said, yes sir, we should go with this tagline. The same day we got it registered, and today I'm seeing so many companies in a similar line are using keep. I cannot say the other words, but they are using keep, and they are rolling, growing, and all those kind of things. But keep going is a real good punchline what we got from Tire Global. See, frankly speaking, before when the company name was Agarwal Rubber Limited, Rahul gave us an idea, why do you want to keep Agarwal Rubber Limited? Because whenever we used to go into the market, people used to say, what's the company's name? We used to say Agarwal Rubber Limited, and then what do you manufacture? Then we used to say tires, then they used to ask what is your brand, then we have to say ARL. So what happened later on, we changed it to ARL Tyres. So now only the name is enough. ARL Tyres means people know what we manufacture and what is our brand, everything. And keep going, that definitely helped us a lot. See, like IPL and social media is not only restricted to India, it is global, and we're exporting to almost 70 countries. So our audience or target audience not only in India as well as abroad. So with social media, everybody in the world is seeing ARL. Now earlier, very few people in my industry knew my brand, and now people know my brand, and everybody is telling you are very active on social. We're able to see various countries. With IPL, definitely IPL is watched all across globe. So there also it is helping us, and we are associated with a lot of other cricket matches also. There also it is helping us. So now branding this is a branding awareness campaign what we are doing, frankly speaking. After 1 year, we'll start branding exercise. Now this is the awareness campaign for next 1 year, we're going to do it at Global. We did with Chandu Champion and 1 or 2 other movies, but only this is all awareness campaign what we are doing it, which is helping the brand a lot. And now people, whenever they go to a retail shop or to various places, they hear about ARL, they are trying to accept our product. Before, they never knew about our brand. So now people are accepting our product on brand value. And each and every marketing strategies, whatever we have, before placing it, we discuss with our Tire Global and make a proper plan. Wherever we want, they will correct us. Ad campaigns or promotion campaigns or everything, they guide us, and according to that we do it, and it is really successful, and they're helping us a lot. I just wish Tag Global just keep going.